class 7. So today we are going to start chapter 6, Be Humble, of our moral science. One of the most important qualities of one's character is humility. Being humble endears one to everyone. So one should be humble. तो सबको humble होना है, kind होना है. A humble person may be intelligent and powerful, but he never feels proud of his ability and power. तो एक humble person intelligent और powerful हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वो कभी अपने लिए proud feelings नहीं करेंगे. God blesses such people. Humble people are great in the eyes of God. He blesses them and gives them peace and happiness. So, He blesses them and also gives them peace and happiness. All the saints practiced humility because they had realized that without humility one will never be allowed into God's kingdom. So all the saints practice, they practice the humility. Why? Because they realize that without this they cannot be allowed into God's kingdom. God punishes the proud and raises the humble. So he punishes the proud and also raises the humble. In the beginning, God created spirits who had nobody. They were called angels. So those spirits were known as angels, and the angels were bestowed with great intelligence, knowledge, and many powers which we human beings do not have. Angel of light was such an angel, he became proud and felt that he would become greater than God. So, angel of light was such an angel, he became proud. Why? Because he felt that he could become greater than God. Who had created him to be greater than the other angels. So God had only created that angel and want him to be greater, and got angry and punished this proud spirit because that spirit was so proud. वो बहुत proud feel कर रहे थे, तो इसीलिए उसको punish किए. He threw him out of his heavenly home. तो अपने heavenly home से उसको बाहर निकाल दिए. Angel of light became God's enemy. Now he is called the angel of darkness or Satan or devil. तब angel of light हो गया God के enemy और वो बन गया angel of darkness, that is known as Saturn या फिर devil. Satan tries to tempt us to commit the same sin of pride. Those who fall prey to his temptation lose God's favor and blessings. तो Satan क्या करते हैं? हमेशा हम लोगों को God के against में भड़काते हैं. अगर उसके चाल में हम लोग फंस गए तो इसका मतलब God will punish us. And pride is at the root of all the evils of the world, and injustice, hatred, anger, and a desire for revenge are fruits of pride. So these are all the fruits of pride. अगर तुम proud feel करोगे तब injustice, hatred, anger अपने साथ साथ आएंगे. This cause pain and misery to others. A humble person always makes his fellow being happy. So humble person always makes his fellow being happy. Such a person quick to admit his faults. तो ये जो humble person है वो हमेशा जल्दी अपना जो भूल होते हैं वो admit कर लेते हैं. He is tolerant and good-natured. He possesses a pleasing personality and gains good friends. And a humble person is always God-fearing. तो humble person हमेशा God-fearing होते हैं, मतलब God से डरते हैं. He never hates anybody and treats everybody with great love and respect. So what he does, he never treats anyone, he treats everyone with great love as well as respect. God is always kind to the humble, so God remains kind to the humble. Now, once a rich man lived in a style and luxury. He was very famous for hosting the feast and parties to which all the great and rich of the town were invited. तो एक rich man थे जो हमेशा parties करते रहते थे, feasting करते रहते थे और सबको बुलाते रहते थे खाने के लिए. He had a large number of servants to wait upon them, and they held him in awe. The rich man enjoyed the honor and respect given to him by people. तो ये रिच मैन का बहुत सारे सर्वेंट्स होते हैं और ये सारा सर्वेंट्स इसको सर्विस देते थे. However, he did not like the poor and treated them unkindly. इसको poor एकदम पसंद नहीं था और ये ट्रीट करते थे उसको unkindly. He thought he had all powerful and forgot God. One day, a poor man came to his doorstep to beg while a feast was in progress. Instead of giving him something, he ordered his servants to drive him away. तो एक पुअर मैन आए थे अपने उसके डोर स्टेप में तो कुछ मांगने के लिए, तो उसके सर्वेंट्स को बोले कि इसको भगा दो. कुछ नहीं दी उसको. The poor man begged for some leftover crumbs, but the rich man rudely turned him away. Sadly, the poor man left his place. तो वो poor man बोले कि कुछ दे दो, कम से कम कुछ क्रम्स या थोड़ा बहुत जो खाना लेफ्ट ओवर है वही दे दो, लेकिन उसको वहां से भगा दिए. By chance, both the rich man and the poor man died that very night. तो उसी दिन दोनों ही मर गए. They had to face God to give an account of their life on earth. दोनों को ही अब सफाई देने गए कि गॉड के पास कि कैसा लाइफ बिताए वो अर्थ पे. God, who is all knowing, punished the rich man for his pride and sent him in hell. The poor man was sent to heaven. तो रिच मैन को पनिश किए, उसके प्राइड के लिए उसको हेल में भेज दिए, और पुअर मैन को उसको हेवन में भेज दिए. Now the rich man realized that he had forgotten God. He had given up his godly quality of being humble. He was so proud that he thought everybody was beneath him. अब उसको रियलाइज हुआ कि वो अपना प्राउड फीलिंग्स लेते लेते ऐसा हो गए कि वो सोचते थे कि वही हाईएस्ट में है और बाकी सब उसके नीचे में है. तो उसका हम्बल क्वालिटीज ही हरा गए थे. He was so proud that he thought everybody was beneath him, perhaps even God, and he lost everything, even his soul. He displeased God and his fellow men. So he also displeased God as well as his fellow men. God is always on the side of the humble. He always guides and humble. And if you look carefully, you will find that a tree well laden with fruits bend toward downwards, and its branches do not sway swiftly. तो देखोगे कि जब कोई ट्रीज में बहुत ज्यादा फल होता है वो पूरा नीचे चले आते हैं. A deep river flows so silently, carrying beneath its calm surface. तो कोई डीप रिवर बहुत धीरे से चलते हैं. Immense store of water, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारे वाटर है. They say still waters run deep. And similarly, if a person has anything in plenty, अगर person के पास कुछ ज्यादा हो, he should not show it off to make others feel small. So he must not show it off. On the contrary, he should be humble. उसको humble होना है enough to help others, and if he can, with the power or position he holds. So he must do everything with his power and position he holds, but he must be humble and kind. So blessed are the pure and humble of the heart. So you must be pure and you must be humble to your heart. Okay. So this is the end of your chapter. Question answer सभी तुम लोगों को मिल जाएंगे. इस बार भी तुम लोगों को MCQ questions हम दे देंगे, तो वही पढ़ना. पहले chapters को complete करना था, उसके बाद सभी तुम लोगों को मिल जाएंगे. Thank you.